Anyone wonder if this new early times bottle and bond's worth buying? Let's check it out. Let's compare it to, I guess you wouldn't say the OG, because the OG is right here. The black cap, blue cap, to the new, let's call it the squatty, right? These are 1 liters. This is 750. Let's check it out. I don't know. I've heard some scary things about this one. I'm going to try it for myself and see. Maybe let you save a little money, or maybe remind you to hunt down this blue cap one, because it's really good. I just picked a backup bottle up. They're still selling around here, which is nice. 1 liter for like 29 bucks. Shit, can't beat that. This one I think was like 17 bucks, the new one. So let's try that. You got the old plastic cap, black top here. Let's check it out. Okay. Well, let's check it out here. And let's let's start with the OG. I guess first I'll kind of compare the color of them. I mean, it really looks the same. Let's try the nose. It smells so good, and that smells really good too. That does not. It's a dark oak, like deep vanilla, almost kind of like a burnt brown sugar on the original. This one's a lot of vanilla, a lot of caramel. Let's try the new one. It's got a chance to sit here for a second. It's a sweeter nose. It's actually almost like a little bit of floral vibe to it. I'm actually not getting a whole lot of nose. Just a little bit, almost like a butterscotch. Got a little bit of corn and a little butterscotch. That's weird. All right, let's just give it a taste and try it out. Of course, the OG, the original, black top. I wish I still made those. Man, it's just delicious. So smooth. It's got such good flavors. It's like deep, dark. It even looks darker than these others. All right, let's try the blue metal cap. Now, I always notice that it is a little different. It's almost like they really tried to get close to this, but they didn't. But they got pretty close, right? It's still really good. You get a lot of that vanilla. Like I said, the deep, dark, kind of like burnt brown sugar really comes through. A little bit of oak. Tiny bit of spice on it. Now, let's see if they were able to copy, I guess, this. Let's see how they did. I don't know. What's your thoughts? Put it in the comments when we're done here. It doesn't taste anything like these. No, the new one's completely different. It's like a completely different whiskey. Like, definitely more corn forward. You get kind of a floral vibe to it. Let me try it again. Yeah, it's just like a corn crib. Kind of like a very corny. A little bit of vanilla on it. Or maybe it's a butterscotch. It's really light. I mean, they're all 100 proof. They're all supposed to be bottle and bond. This is completely different. I mean, let's do it 1, 2, 3. Of course, OG, number 1, number 2, and the dead last. I don't know about this one, boys. I'd skip on this one for now. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. I'll see you next time.